In this video, we learn how to install fonts in Windows PC. So first of all, open your favorite web browser and search www.1001freefonts.com. After opening this site, you will find a list of fonts. Just click on download. Now double click font file. Now drag and drop the file. Now right click and click on install. That's it. And another way, go to search bar and type control panel. Open the control panel. Go to category and select large icons. In here, click on fonts. Now drag and drop font file in here. So like this, you can install fonts in Windows PC. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.